If you're not checking superheat and subcooling, you're not diagnosing HVAC systems, you're guessing. Superheat tells you how much heat your refrigerant picks up before leaving the evaporator. Too low, flooding the compressor. Too high, starving the coil. Subcooling shows how much liquid refrigerant is cooled below saturation in the condenser. Too low, undercharged. Too high, restriction or overcharge. These numbers are the lifeblood of accurate diagnosis. Skip them, and you'll miss what's really happening inside the system. Stay sharp, techs. Measure, don't guess.